Today, you'll see an exciting face-off between two top countertop water filter brands. In the blue corner, we have the Rorra countertop system, which comes with extensive NSF and IAPMO tests to remove PFAS, heavy metals, and VOCs. It doesn't waste water like reverse osmosis, but can't remove fluoride, and it's expensive to maintain. And in the red corner, we have the AquaTru Classic, which is IAPMO certified to remove lead, fluoride, and PFAS. Unlike Rorra, AquaTru uses the proven reverse osmosis technology to remove fluoride and comes with lower filter replacement costs. So in this video, we'll analyze Rorra and AquaTru countertop filters on contaminant removal, water flow rate, and ease of usage to find out which one is actually worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1, Contaminant Removal. Rorra uses a special combination of electrokinetically charged carbon media with sub-micron average pore size to remove chlorine, lead, VOCs, and PFAS, as proven in NSF testing. However, it can't remove all harmful TDS, like excess fluoride. You also can't use the system on high mineral well water or water with unknown bacterial content. On the other hand, AquaTru Classic uses a 4-stage purification system, a sediment and carbon pre-filter, a reverse osmosis membrane, and a VOC carbon post-filter. You can also use the Mineral Boost VOC filter to improve taste. It is also IAPMO certified to remove chlorine, PFAS, and all harmful TDS. Unlike Rorra, it can remove fluoride effectively. But you can't use AquaTru in high water hardness or iron levels without pre-filtration. So the winner of this round is AquaTru Classic, as it removes all harmful TDS using reverse osmosis. Round number 2, Water flow rate and design. Rorra filters about 1 gallon every 20 to 30 minutes via gravity. It has a total capacity of 2.5 gallons with 1.5 gallon filtered and 1 gallon unfiltered water. Rorra doesn't use RO, so there is zero wastewater. The body is made of medical-grade stainless steel, which gives it a premium look. However, the handle is made of painted plastic. The unit is easy to use. However, some users have complained about spigot leakage after releasing the handle and rust-like spotting inside the lid after months of use. On the other hand, AquaTru Classic filters 1 gallon in about 10 to 15 minutes. It has a 4:1 pure-to-waste water ratio, meaning only 1 gallon is wasted for every 4 gallons purified. It has a 0.75 gallon clean water capacity and features a more compact triangular design to save counter space. The body is made from BPA-free Triton plastic. If your AquaTru is leaking from the back, it's probably due to improperly seated filters. Pressing them in fully usually resolves the issue. The winner of this round is Rorra, with zero water wastage and a 2.5 gallon total capacity. Round number 3, Ease of installation and maintenance. Rorra is easy to set up with detailed video guides. You have to fill the system, wait 60 minutes, and then drain it. You'll need about 3 full fills at 20 minutes each to make it ready for use. It also includes a certified filter life indicator so that you can keep track of filter replacements. Filters are recommended to be replaced every 90 days or 200 gallons. Each subscription cycle costs $65. That sums to about $260 per year, which is very expensive. On the other hand, AquaTru unit comes partially assembled. You set it on your counter, install the filters, wash and fill tanks, plug it in, and run 4 tanks of water through for priming. Installing the filters requires some muscle to ensure a tight seal. It has a filter life indicator but no TDS display. Maintenance-wise, sediment and carbon filters are replaced every 6 months. The RO membrane and VOC carbon filter are replaced annually. Total annual cost is approximately $112 without Mineral Boost, which is significantly less than that of Rorra. While both filters are easy to set up, the winner of this round is AquaTru Classic because of its lower annual replacement costs. Round number 4, Warranty and Customer Support. Rorra offers a 12-month warranty and a 30-day return policy. Customer support is responsive and answers questions promptly. On the other hand, AquaTru also offers a 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Its customer support is decent, but there are some recent complaints. So, we declare a tie for this round as both brands provide 12-month warranty and decent support. With all said and done, here's my key takeaway. Both Rorra and AquaTru are efficient countertop water filters. Rorra impresses with zero wastewater and fast gravity filtration but can't remove fluoride or all harmful TDS like AquaTru and comes with expensive filter replacements. AquaTru offers budget-friendly replacements and wins this battle. Have you used AquaTru or Rorra countertop filters? Share your experiences in the comments below. And for another helpful clean water guide, check out this video next.